When is a work said to be done? When a force causes displacement in its direction and its formula is W equal to F dot S cos theta. What is the SI unit of work and energy? C. Joule. Both work and energy have the SI unit joule. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Work. Work is a scalar quantity. It has magnitude but no direction. The potential energy of body is given by mgh. Potential energy due to gravity is given by potential energy equal to mgh. The energy possessed by the moving object is called kinetic energy. So energy due to motion is called kinetic energy given by 1/2 mv square. Which law states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed? Law of conservation of energy. According to this law, energy is transferred but total energy remains constant. When the momentum of the body is double, its kinetic energy becomes 4 times. Power is defined as work upon time. Power is the rate of doing work, so P equal to W upon T. 1 hour's power is equal to 746 watt. 1 HP equal to 746 watt, commonly used for the inner engine. 1 kilo hours is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 J. Mechanical energy includes kinetic energy plus potential energy. Work done is maximum when angle between the force and displacement is 0 degree. Which of the following does not change with the direction of motion? Kinetic energy. SI unit of power is named after which scientist? Watt. Watt is the SI unit of power named after the James Watt. The relation kinetic energy is equal to P square upon 2m connects momentum and energy. Guys, thank you for watching the videos. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos, and please comment in comment box that which topic should we want MCQ videos, so I will make useful videos for you. Thank you.